Hey y'all, it's your girl K Beauty and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to join the Slay Squad because we be slaying over here, period. Okay, you guys, so today's video is sponsored by Uamazinghair. They sent me over this 18-inch 150% density highlighted deep wave wig, and it is so pretty. Like, let me get a close-up on this lace. It is giving me very much Beyonce vibes. Like, yes, it is too cute, girl. So I'm basically the plug when it comes to finding affordable wigs on Amazon. So if you've been searching for an affordable wig, here you are in luck. This wig is so bomb. It's very affordable and it's easy to put on. It already comes colored for you. It already comes pre-plucked, and basically you just throw it on your head and call it a day. Nah, I did customize it a little bit. I did pluck it just a little bit more, and then I added some baby hairs, and I just added a little bit of concealer to the part just so it could look more natural. You feel me, girl? Yes. Okay, so I am really in love with this hair. Like, I'm gonna have to give it a 5 star. 5 stars. I'm gonna go ahead and give this hair. The only thing that I don't like about it is it seems like it's kind of like it's supposed to be like an 18-inch, but it's giving me kind of like a 16-inch. This is how it comes down to my back right here. So it's giving me very much 12-inch, like 14-inch, 16-inch vibes. Like, I need some long hair. Like, I need my hair to come like down here, all the way down here, like down here type. So yeah, other than that, I love this hair. It's easy to work with and it does not tangle. It does not do a lot of shedding. You just pretty much got to put some mousse on it and just let it flow natural. This is a natural deep wave curly wig and it's just so bomb. So make sure you check out my description bar to get access to this wig. If you have any recommendations for hair companies, definitely let me know in the description bar, or definitely let me know in the comments. But yes, other than that, this wig is so bomb. Like, let me do a little 360 for y'all. Yes, so cute. I'm just in love with this. And this color really complements my skin tone. Like, I never used to like tones that's like too close to my skin, but I just love when my hair is like brown. It just really brings out my color, and I'm just in love with it. I love this wig. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Give this video a thumbs up and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.